Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here to do another quick Christmas ornament craft. These are little snow globes that you can put a picture of your loved one or anything inside the snow globe. And they're a little fiddly, but they're pretty easy. I used Dollar Tree page protector sheets. The kind that is like an envelope that you just slip paper in. And then I used, which I didn't realize that it was, I thought it was metallic paper, but actually I was pleasantly surprised to find out that it peels off and it's sticky in the back. It's like a sticker sheet. So I used this from the Dollar Tree. And then I used some cardstock. I printed out some of my favorite pictures. These are my two Cavalier show boys that I loved, especially this one. My two cats. This is from my wedding day. This is my son's wedding day and my mom and my daughter-in-law. And then these are just some fussy cuts that I cut out from my Christmas Kittens kit. So I'll show you how I made them. I think I'll do one on camera for you to show you. I'll do the kittens. So what I did was I just took this is just a tin can. I think it was from Peas or something, and I had used it to decorate a long time ago, just for some fun. And I took a piece of thin cardboard and I just traced around it, and then I added a little, this is the snow globe base, I just kind of drew that on the bottom. And then what I did was, you can use washi or painter's tape. This is painter's tape. And this is the page protector, the two sheets together. I just cut it down the side to open it up on the side. And, oops, what happened to my tape? You'll just want to put a little bit of tape just to hold it together while you're cutting. And then I just cut around. If you have a laminator, you can use laminate instead. I don't. So I'm using the page protectors. And I'm cutting two pieces at once. Just kind of doing it in little sections. I don't want to do where the tape is until last. I'm sliding here. Can fix that once we get it apart. Let's see. Now I'll cut this part. Still not. First time I did it, it didn't slide around as much, I think because I was cutting it when it was more, they were more connected, the two pieces, but we can make this work. These would make great gifts. You can hang it on a tree. You could use it as decor for your packages that you wrap, your gifts. Okay. So we got those pieces. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And I'm going to do the kitties. I'm just going to make it a little smaller so it fits in here better. Like that. It's going to look cute. And I took some of my art glitter glue. I think it does dry clear once it's fully dry on the acetate. And I'm just placing it in the middle, like that. And then I took a piece of felt and I kind of cut out what looks like snow. And I'm just going to use my art glitter glue. Put it on the bottom here. Like that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of art glitter around the outside. I am going to sew. So this is going to hold it down while I sew it. You just want to line it up. And when this dries, it will be clear. It does take a little bit to dry inside the plastic. And then I took some of this stuff, glitter sticker stuff, and I put it on the bottom like that. It sticks really well. You don't have to use glue. Trim all around. Like that. You really should wait a while for your art glitter glue to dry, but I'm going to go ahead and sew, and I'm not going to pause the camera. So if you don't want to hear the sewing machine, turn your volume down. I'm I'm not sure you can even see, but let me see if I can. Maybe you can kind of see it like that. Sorry guys, I don't have the best angle, and I have it on a short zigzag, so I'm just going to zigzag all around the edge. Go really slow. Okay. Fix the camera angle. Okay. That turned out pretty good. The glue held it in place. It's a little wonky here. That's okay. I think it looks cute. And then with the fussy cuts, I think I'll put the cute gifts. Just gonna ink up. Get rid of some of that white. So I hope everyone's having a good day and everyone's well. Everything's good here. Okay. I'm just going to glue it down with some art glitter glue. I'm really loving making handmade ornaments this year. Then I'm going to just take some string. Take some of this. And I was able to glue it behind the paper. I think I'll have to glue it like over here. I think that would work. And I think I need a longer piece. Okay. Just going to glue it on. My art glitter glue. Then I'm going to get a piece of this. You could do double-sided image if you wanted. And I'm going to put some art glitter glue on the back here. And that's how simple it is. Adorable. So yeah, this is a quick video. I could do another one, but I think you get the gist of it, and I hope you make them and have fun with them. And thank you again for joining me for crafting. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and until the next video, bye-bye, friends.